I'm going to share some ways that you can make more money in your graphic design business right now. I'm not even going to touch on passive income because we've heard that 1,000 times. We know about it. And if you really want to hear my thoughts on passive income, you can check out my podcast episode titled The Truth About Passive Income. So the first way you can make more money as a graphic designer is by turning on tips on your invoices. I highly recommend using an invoice software that does have this feature because I have had clients tip me $50 on project deposits. I've been tipped a few dollars on small scale projects, and one of my biggest clients tipped me $500 at the end of our project. So if you do not have tips turned on, you're probably missing out on potential income from happy clients. Another way you can make more money is by offering to handle the printing process for your clients. I learned this from my friends at Print Design Academy, and I highly recommend you go check out their resources. But essentially, you can offer to design your clients' print collateral, their packaging, anything like that, and then order it for them and have it shipped to them. You will charge a printing and process labor fee, allowing yourself to make a little extra profit from that process. When booking a new client or discussing potential new opportunities with past clients, something I highly recommend you do is try to encourage them to invest in additional collateral or design items that may benefit their business. For example, one of my biggest upsells is a link in bio page. Most people use Linktree or something of that sort. And if you build websites, you can offer to build a custom link in bio page for your client. If you don't design websites, that's okay. You can offer other things like designing an email signature or offering business card design, something that doesn't come in your package by default that you think your client could benefit from. You can then charge an additional fee for these things in your projects. Next is affiliate referrals. What will happen is basically I'll build my client's website, and then when it's time for me to transfer that website to my client, they have to go sign up on Showit. And I'll give them my Showit affiliate code so that they get a discount and I also get something out of that referral. There's a lot of different softwares and tools that offer affiliate codes, especially email marketing. So if you're ever making recommendations to clients or encouraging them to use certain software, be sure you are capitalizing on the fact that you're referring them to these brands. Something that I've also noticed is becoming more popular among designers is to offer ongoing maintenance. Now, I don't do this personally, but I do know a few designers that do, and it works really well for them. So once you're done working with a client, a lot of times they're going to need new graphics, new collateral, and things like that moving forward. You can offer them a monthly maintenance package to create some recurring revenue for yourself. Usually this involves the client paying a set fee every month for continuous maintenance. For example, they might pay a $300 fee every month for 5 different graphics, and they can reach out to you at any point in time to ask for a graphic and receive it within a time frame that you set within your ongoing maintenance package process. This next one kind of gets into the content creation space, but if you're a designer, you're going to have to be putting yourself out there on social media to attract new clients and should probably already be making content. It might surprise you to know that you can land brand partnerships and make money even if you don't have 10,000 followers. One of my design students recently landed a brand partnership. She has about 1,000 followers and she got paid $200 for her sponsored post on her Instagram account. And this was relating to a design software and it was very much related to the industry. So this wasn't like some random partnership that didn't make sense. It was a partnership that she wanted to do, she got to make a little extra money from, and ultimately, if you want to start making money from partnerships and content creation on social media, you can pitch yourself to brands that you already actively love, know, and use. I have a video on my YouTube channel that kind of goes over a media kit and what to include in that when you're pitching yourself to brands, so I will leave a link to that in the description if you want to check it out. Lastly, one of the easiest and most overlooked ways to make more money as a graphic designer is simply by booking bigger clients. Over 50% of the design industry is currently undercharging. Just by increasing your prices by a few $100s or maybe even a few $1,000s, you could potentially double, triple, or even sometimes quadruple your revenue. Now, it's not as simple as just raising your prices and expecting to immediately get clients. It's a matter of improving your design process, honing in on your ideal clients, adjusting your portfolio, putting out more content, redefining your messaging, and then increasing your prices to book those higher ticket dream clients. I have a video on my YouTube channel, again, about how I've booked a $15,000 client previously. And I also teach my students how to book $12,000, $8,000, $10,000 clients in the Design Biz Academy at the Brief Collective. Again, this information will be in the description if you want to learn more about that. As a recap, we discussed turning on tips, handling the print process, upselling additional deliverables, signing up for affiliate referrals, offering ongoing maintenance, forming brand partnerships, and booking bigger clients. That's it for this video, and if you found this helpful, I ask that you please share this with other graphic designers, other creatives who could benefit from watching this. I'll see you next time.